Have a splendid day, dear children. Today, from your Standard 6 Biology, Unit 6 Health and Hygiene, we'll discuss the book back answers. First topic, choose the correct answer. First question, our body needs dash for muscle building. Our body needs protein for muscle building. C option. Second one, scurvy is caused due to deficiency of vitamin C. Third one, calcium is example of minerals. Fourth one, we should include fruits and vegetables in our diet because they are rich in minerals and vitamins. Fifth one, bacteria are very small prokaryotic microorganisms. True or false? Sixth one, first one, there are 3 main nutrients present in our food. The answer is false because there are 6 main nutrients. Correct the false answer. Next one, fats are used as energy. Fats are stored as energy in our body. That is the correct sentence. It is true. Third one, all bacteria have flagella. It's false. Only some bacteria have flagella. Underline this and write some. Next one, iron helps in formation of hemoglobin. It's true. Next, fifth one, virus can grow and multiply outside host. It's false. Virus can grow and multiply only inside the host. Fill in the blanks. First one, malnutrition leads to deficiency diseases. Second one, iodine deficiency leads to goiter in adults. Third one, vitamin D deficiency causes rickets. Fourth one, typhoid is transmitted due to contamination of food and water. Fifth one, influenza is a viral disease. Fourth topic, complete the analogy. First one, rice is rich in carbohydrates, whereas pulses is rich in proteins. Second one, vitamin D deficiency causes rickets. Vitamin C deficiency causes scurvy. Third one, iodine leads to goiter. Iron deficiency leads to anemia. Fourth one, cholera is caused due to bacteria and smallpox is caused due to virus. Fifth, match the following. Vitamin A deficiency, then what disease is caused? Night blindness. Vitamin A, night blindness. Vitamin B, beriberi. See the first letter B. So it is BB, beriberi. Vitamin A, night blindness. Vitamin B, beriberi. Vitamin C, scurvy. See the second letter C, scurvy. Vitamin D, rickets. Vitamin E, sterility. Sixth topic, complete the diagram. We have 6 types of main nutrients in our body, which are protein, carbohydrate, water, vitamin, and the left out are fats and minerals. Seventh topic, write short notes, short answers. First one, write 2 examples for each of the following. Food item rich in fat and vitamin deficiency diseases. First question, write 2 examples for each of the following. Food items rich in fat. They are cheese, butter, ghee, paneer, egg yolk, fish, nuts. Vitamin deficiency diseases are vitamin C, scurvy, vitamin D, rickets. Second one, differentiate between carbohydrates and proteins. Carbohydrates, first point, energy giving component of food. Proteins are body building foods. Carbohydrates, second point, sources, fruits, honey, rice, potato, nuts, grains, maize. Protein sources, pulses, soya beans, nuts, egg, fish, milk, grams, chicken. Your third question, define the term balanced diet. A balanced diet is a diet which contains an adequate amount of all the necessary nutrients like carbohydrate, fat, protein, minerals and vitamins required for a healthy growth and physical activities. Fourth one, Why do the fruits and vegetables not be washed after cutting? We should not cut the we should not wash the fruits and vegetables after cutting, because the vitamins and minerals in the fruits and vegetables will also be washed away. Fifth one, write any two viral diseases. You can write as many: hepatitis, AIDS, polio, influenza, or viral disease. Sixth one, what is the main feature of microorganism? Microorganisms or microbes are very small and can be seen only with the help of microscope. Second point, microorganisms can be bacteria, protozoa, fungi, virus. Third point, only pathogenic microorganisms cause diseases. Eighth topic, answer in detail. First question, tabulate the vitamins and their corresponding deficiency diseases. So write all the vitamins A, B, C, D, E and K, and their deficiency diseases are night blindness, beriberi, scurvy, rickets, nerve weakness, vision deterioration, weakness of bones, teeth, etc. So that's all. Have a great day. Thank you.